Hi guys, so there is a thunderstorm rolling in and I'm out with my beehives cleaning up some frames that I left out for them to clean up. It's not a Texas thunderstorm, so I'm good. I'm going to show them they're doing well. Let you see them. So here, I'm getting ready to feed them, but you can see they're going back and forth. That's their porch, right? There's an entrance reducer on there to keep a fighting chance for them to protect from wasps and other things. But what I've observed is a lot of them are coming in with a lot of pollen still. It's really orange. But see how busy they are? The bees that stay out on the porch all the time are the guardians. They don't go in. They stay out and they fight. They keep people off that don't belong. And because we're under the maple tree, a little bit of lighting there. See the pollen on that one? Because we're under the maple tree, they don't get a lot of rain here, and that's kind of nice because there's a lot of, I'll show you a lot of foliage that they're under, and they love maple anyway. This is one of their favorite types of trees. We move over to the retainer wall where I have the water bath over there with the rocks in it for them for next year. But here, you just see how they're doing their jobs and they're coming and going. I don't know if they're being signaled to. There's a good one with pollen. It's starting to rain, so they're probably coming close to home as possible or getting ready to ride it out and wait till it's nice out. It's 70 degrees. It's just wet. But there's a lot of pollen. And then there's a lot that don't have any. Like, see that pollen? It's pretty impressive, isn't it? Bringing it in. But lightning is striking, and I'm totally paranoid when it comes to that. So I'm going to take my supplies box of their frames. I don't want to alarm them today. I wanted to feed them sugar syrup, but I may do it tomorrow when it's sunny because I think they're okay. They've got lots of pollen. Blackberries are on. I've got a lot of flowers out in my field. I don't know what they're called. I have Queen Anne's lace, but I got a really big flower that's got pink blooms on it. It's white and blushy with pink, and they're soon to be going to that. And my neighbor up the road, Cindy Blanksma, she sells beautiful flowers, big blossoms for $1 a flower. You can build a beautiful bouquet with what she's got. I recommend everybody go there on James Road and check out her flower cart on the side of the road, just close to Grand Mound Elementary here in Rochester, Washington. But the hanging baskets in the area, the bees seem to be going there. They're doing okay. They're not dying, and we're not in a true dearth yet. We're on the brink. So I have fed them some sugar syrup already, which is why I'm not harvesting any more honey. This is strictly a prepare for winter, and I'm overwintering them. I hear a guardian coming close to me, getting ready to yell at me right there. And it could be they smell my CO2. Okay, yes ma'am. Okay, well, it's the rule. You know, when they say skedaddle, you skedaddle. So I will let these guys do their job, and I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day, guys. Love the bees, okay? Plant flowers, plant trees. It's all about them. I'll talk to you soon.